a quick video to show you how to create a colored line on a content page. But first, you'll need to do a couple of things. In order to create a colored line, first you want to create a colored palette for your course. You want a colored palette to stay consistent with all of the colors that you want to use in your course. I do this by going to color-hex.com. I created an account for free, and once I did that, I could create a whole bunch of different color palettes. As you can see, I chose this Spa Good Health color palette that I created, and these are all the colors that I want to use within this particular course. This keeps a consistent feel for your students, and it helps you because then you don't have to remember which colors you put where. So I'm going to use this color right here, and you can see that it's called a hex code. Hex codes are the color that's programmed within the page. So when you're seeing this teal color, the computer actually sees that pound 1C9FA3. Once you've created your color combination and your color palettes on color-hex.com, you're going to go back to Canvas and create your content page or edit a content page. First, we're going to go to the table icon over on the left-hand column. Click on Table, and you want it to be a one-celled table. Next, click on Table Properties. You can do this either by selecting the icon below it, or you can click on the drop-down and click on Table Properties that way. Either way gets you to the same place. Once you do that, you want to put in the width. Now the width you want to do in a percentage, so you can do it at 100% the screen, or you can do it at as small as 20 or 10%. In this case, I'm going to do it at 80% of the screen so that you can see what this looks like when I finish. This gives me a couple of little bit of space on either side. My alignment, I'm going to center. I'm going to select Caption to make sure that I'm accessible. And then I'm going to go to the Advanced tab. On the Advanced tab, you want to select the background color. So since I have my hex color over on my other tab, I'm going to highlight that hex color, Command-C to copy or Control-C to copy on a PC, and then I'm going to select back to my other tab and go to this background color to put in my hex, Command-V or Control-V to paste. Now I'm going to select OK. Now you can see that I have a line that's colored on my page. The first thing that you want to do is name the caption. So in this case, I'm going to caption this to say colored line, no content. This allows a screen reader to skip over this table because it's just eye candy. But I don't want everyone to see that I've captioned this, so I'm going to highlight that caption, and I'm going to select from the drop-down menu in my color for my font. This is a little trick. We're going to hide this. So I'm going to select white. That way, no one can see it, but a screen reader can read it, and then my table is accessible. Once I've completed this, I'm going to click Save and Publish. Now the line doesn't look the same, does it? So I'm going to add another line just to show you again how this works. I'm going to go down a few spaces, make a little bit of line space. I'm going to click on Table. I'm going to do a one-cell table. I'm going to click on Table Properties. I'm going to do 80%. I'm going to select Caption and Align Center. And then I'm going to go over to Advanced. Now since I've already copied the hex code from my color palette, I can just Command-V again to paste that color code back in there. And I'm going to click OK. Once again, I'm going to make sure that I say it's a colored line, no content. And this allows a screen reader to read that the table is empty. Click on the drop-down menu, select white text, and you are all set with your colored lines. Click Save, and you can see that I have two pretty colored lines that I can use on my page.